everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot, and in today's video we are looking at what is coming in for you 2 years from now. Now this is a video which was recently requested by one of you guys, and I thought this is something that I've not done before and I really should be trying this. So here we are. Now you have 3 piles as usual in front of you, so you can pick out whichever one that speaks to you most. Please take all the time you want, trust your intuition, go with the gut. I shall give you some time and then we shall start off with the very first one, which is pile 1. Hello my beautiful friends, and if you have chosen the very first pile, these are your messages for what is coming in for you 2 years from now. So we'll just start off with the very first one. So the impression that I get when I look at this card is you're finally free to live your life the way you want to. It's like all the burdens that you've stuck with all of these years, you are now like out of those shackles and you're free to live your life the way you want to. So this also speaks to me about, your work going well, your personal life going well. And you can breathe now is the sense that I get. Like you're free, you're happy, you're doing what you love. Again, that is really coming in strongly. So pursuing something that you've always wanted to pursue is something that is coming. Independent businesses, something that really brings you joy, that is what is coming in. But either way, for a couple of you, I'm also getting the sense that you could be moving away from where you are currently and shifting to a different location, shifting to a different city, maybe a new home. So that is also a possibility, but whatever it is bringing you a lot of joy and you're filled with enthusiasm again, like you're ready to embrace life once again, is the impression that I really get here. We shall take out your tarot cards. Now the very first one is Death, the second one is the Magician, and the third is the 8 of Pentacles. Now again, death is like a transformation. It is the ending of something and the beginning of another one. So this is like one door closing and another one opening. So there is this sense of, renewal. There is this essence that I get here is a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. That is what I get here. And from there, from that stage of being a caterpillar to being a butterfly, what is happening is you're realizing that you have a lot of power because you have the Magician here. So you have all the tools that are necessary to sort of live the life that you want to live. You have all the abilities. So I think even finances look really good because now you have the finances and your state of mind really appears to be good from what I get here. But moving forward 2 years down the line, you will reach a point where you will have everything to sort of shape your life the way you want to. So this also comes to me in the form of manifestation of a life that you've always wanted to live. And mind you, you worked hard for it because you also have the 8 of Pentacles. So this is like you've really put in the hard work over the next 2 years maybe. And your hard work has sort of paid off, and which is why the enthusiasm is coming. But again, if this is something that is coming in 2 years down the line, this also speaks to me about research. This also means that you're really putting in the work to build that life. This is about honing your skills. This is about getting better at something. This is about becoming a master at something in life. Alright, for a couple of people, this could also be doing a lot of research. So study is also coming in, especially if you want to attend a university of your choice. If you want to improve your skills, possibly for you, then you could be leaving your job. So that is what this could be, and going back to university. For some people, this could also be like pursuing training to become something that you've always wanted to become. Again, that dream job, that dream life that you wanted to live. Now is the time that you're really starting the work there. And that is bringing you a lot of happiness. Okay, so whatever it is, there is a huge transformation, and this transformation is something that you wanted for a very long time. And you're putting in the work and you've already put in a lot of effort. So what is coming in is you're manifesting the life that you want to live. Now the way you want to shape it, whatever you want to put into it, it's going to turn out that way. But the work is essential. If you put in the work over the course of the next 2 years, you are going to end up in a life that will really ring true to you. The next one here is contentment, bliss, and satisfaction. So, this really goes with the enthusiasm card. Again, this is talking about security. So, you are really happy in the place that you're in because you're contented with wherever you are. You're happy with whatever it is that you have. And there is this sense of satisfaction that I get. This is a satisfaction from having done a job well. So this also speaks to me about your financial investments paying off. So now really look into certain investments that you can do right now in the today, which have a possibility of paying off later. Okay, so this is about you needing to figure your life right now so that it comes to place in the next 2 years. But whatever it is, whatever you're doing right now seems to be working because it's going to pay off in the long run. Clearly there is happiness, there is bliss, there is satisfaction. Also, your intuition is something that is going to be really strong 2 years down the line. This is about you leading a very guided life. Like you'll instinctively know the next step to take, is the sense that I get. You are right now, as you're watching this reading, in the process of creating a very beautiful life. And this is a very consciously thought of life is what I'm getting here. Because whatever it is you're doing right now, it is clearly working. So you are on the right path is something that I want to tell you. The next one is the serpentine path to power. So this speaks to me about, see, the serpent is a very slow moving creature, you know. So this is like you are on the path to power, but you're moving very deliberately. You're moving very slowly. Every step that you take is a conscious step is what I'm getting. And that consciousness that you put in right now and over the next 2 years will pay off. This is also having help in your life. This is also about you knowing what to do. This really speaks to me about the fact that you are very powerful in yourself and you know exactly what to do. So please, you know, right now in the next 2 years, listen to yourself is what I'm getting. Because the life that you're trying to build, the life that you are building already, is going to happen. Let me just give this as a big yes from the universe for you. That whatever path you're on, it's taking you towards exactly where you want to be. But this path, it's going to be slow, okay? This process is going to be slow. It's not going to be an overnight process, definitely. Because the change will be like a long-term coming change. And one fine day, that change is going to happen. And you will be exactly where you're meant to be. It's going to be a slow process, let me remind you. So don't give up, you know, because you are reaching this stage of satisfaction. So any point of time during this journey over the course of the next 2 years, if you feel like it's too slow, like things are not progressing as rapidly as you want them to, don't quit. Because the journey might be slow, but you are going to arrive at the destination. So please keep doing whatever it is that you're doing, and yoga is coming in very strongly. So this is, you know, this is something I wanted to do regarding your health. So when it comes to your health, certain physical exercises might benefit you. So especially yoga, for some people what I'm getting is you might actually enter a yoga program, or for a couple of people you might actually enroll into becoming a yoga teacher. Or an energy practitioner is what I'm getting here. But yoga, stretching and exercising are going to be very key ingredients for you. What this will do is the process of yoga, not only will it assist you in terms of your health and health issues if you have any right now, like focusing on your breath, focusing on energy exercises that is coming in. But whenever you feel like you're getting impatient, because that might happen over the course of the next 2 years, this will sort of, you know, bring your energies in that balance, because that balance is needed. For a lot of you, this could actually be a spiritual progression, because what I get here is, you know, for the Kundalini to rise and finally reach there, it's a process. So if that is something that speaks to you, then yoga might really help you get there. But yoga for you guys is going to really help you channel those energies in the right way. But again, Kundalini with the serpent coming in, that again holds a lot of significance. But health wise, overall, I don't really see any problem for you guys at all over the next 2 years. But yoga might assist you, is something that I get. We'll just take some tea leaf cards. So caterpillar, again, like we said, this is like the caterpillar turning into a butterfly. So things will not always be this way. A change is coming, like exactly what we said. So if you're getting impatient in the current moment or within the next 2 years, this is telling you like you are a caterpillar. You are in the stage of a caterpillar. And that caterpillar does transform into a butterfly eventually. Okay, so things are not always going to be the way they are right now. They are going to change for you. And that change is going to be beautiful, and it's going to take you exactly where you need to be. And emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. So this also speaks to me about having your own home, having your own family. If that is something that is one of your dreams, that could be happening as well. Children could be on the cards for a couple of you who want to plan a child at a later point of time. But this speaks to me about having a family, about having a supportive family, a family that brings you a lot of joy, a lot of contentment. You will have this sense of security. For a couple of people, I'm also getting the sense that if you want to buy a home for yourself, that might happen too. Building that house for yourself, a house that gets you security, is also something that can happen. And this will bring you a lot of stability, in fact, this will bring you a lot of joy. For a few people, what I'm getting is this is something that you've always wanted. And this is something you will have. Okay, and for a couple of people, if you're struggling to have children, you might want to go the yoga way. The process for some of you might be slow, but it's going to happen. You're going to have kids, you're going to have that family, and you are going to be happy. Okay, it might be a slow process, but it's meant to be. There is no timeline, there is no age limit to anything. It's just rules that society creates for I don't know what. So again, 2 years down the line, it's about taking a vacation physically or mentally. So everything that you're working towards, everything that you're really putting your heart and soul behind, that is paying off. Because the hammock for me is a symbol that you worked really hard. Like you've gone upstream instead of, going with the stream. And all that effort, all that movement that you're putting in will pay off. Alright, so it might take effort. I'm not denying that at all. But that effort will pay off for you guys, definitely. It's going to bring you the security that you need. It's going to bring you the bliss that you need. It's going to bring you that joy that you want. Okay, and when this happens 2 years down the line, you will be free to live your life the way you want to. Okay, so overall, I see great things happening for you. Process is definitely slow, but once you get there, it's like the ultimate satisfaction. Okay, and I will leave you with that, and I shall see you in my next one. Hello everyone, and if you have chosen pile 3, this is what is in store for you 2 years from now. Transformation. All right, we have some change happening in your life, but the sense that I get here is, when I look at this, the changes that are happening, they are not so much happening in terms of your life and your external circumstances, but they are changes that are happening within. Like you might be questioning whether this is the kind of lifestyle that I really want. So you are sort of making internal changes. This could be about changing the way you live, changing your diet maybe, but whatever it is, you are changing yourself is what is coming in. It's not so much an external change. Looking at your tarot cards, we have 4 of Swords. Now 4 of Swords for me is a card of food for thought. So what is happening is you're really putting in a lot of thought towards your life. You are really looking at your life, really taking the time to sit and look at your life and reflecting about a couple of things. And that reflection is sort of making you go in a different direction is what I'm getting. It is making you slow down slightly and deliberate your life. This is about leading an intentional life is what I'm getting. So you'll be making a lot of plans 2 years from now. You will be sort of drawing a lot of sketches, blueprints is what I'm also getting here. So a lot of planning. This, you could also be in the middle of buying your own home or starting your own business from scratch. Okay, so this is about you changing the way you live, and this change, whatever is happening, is going to bring you a lot of happiness because there is celebration. Whatever change you wanted to bring for yourself, because this is an internal change, is going to bring you a lot of happiness because there is celebration. Like you're finally happy with where you are, is what I get. So this change could be gradual. It doesn't have to be like, okay, 2 years from now you are gonna sit and think. This could be a process that starts happening maybe even from today, but the culmination can be something that will work out 2 years from now, is what I'm getting. But whatever it is, the deliberate changes that you'll bring into your life over the next 2 years will bring you a lot of joy, is what I get. And this will start from within, okay? So this is you sitting with yourself and really making those changes. But they'll actually bring you a lot of joy. They'll give you a lot of satisfaction. Let us look at the next one. Okay, so what I sense is, for a couple of you, you are leaving behind a past. You are leaving behind relationships that no longer serve you, relationships that were holding you back. For some people, this is relationships with people who want to manipulate you in some way. Okay? This is about you claiming yourself once again. This is about you living that independent life. This is about you rebalancing yourself. Okay? This is like, I am going to be living now the way I want to. Like I said, this is happening internally, and which is in turn playing out in the rest of your life. This, for a couple of people, is about toxic relationship, toxic friendships. Toxic work environment might also be something. So if you're currently in one, then that is something that will change over the next 2 years, is what I get. But whatever it is, you are really coming into your own element, and this just solidifies everything that I was thinking about. Now this is about you really feeling yourself. Just look at her. Just look at her. This is about love, the energy of fire. She reminds me of the Queen of Wands, The sensuality, the fertility. This is about you becoming yourself, 100% yourself. Like you have become your own person and you're not going to take any more nonsense. So that is the kind of sense that I get. I love this you already. Can I just say that? But this, for a couple of people, is also you putting yourself out there. Okay, you being an equal in the relationships that you want. Okay, you really owning yourself. This is like the Khaleesi vibe in Game of Thrones. That is the kind of energy that I get here. Like she's tired of people calling things for her. She's tired of people telling her what to do. And she's like, that's it. Game over for you guys. I am in charge. So that is the kind of thing that is coming in. And strength, you have strength again. Yes, absolutely. No doubt about it. This transformation is a transformation within. Like you're standing tall within yourself. You are now becoming your own person. So for a couple of you, this could also be you coming into a financially strong situation. Like you could have built yourself up from ground below and you're standing strong. So this gives me like the alpha female kind of a vision. Like I have my own business. This is working. I can get myself a house. I can buy my car. I can do whatever it is that I want. And if I want a partner in my life, it is only because I love him and not because I need him. That is the kind of vibe. But either way, hats off to you guys. Options. So career wise as well, you are considering your possibilities. It's like I said, for a couple of people, this could be you building your business. But whatever it is, you're weighing your options. Like, what can I do? I have so many choices. Because options is something you have only when you have too many choices, right? So you clearly will have a lot of choices opening up for you with regards to your career as well. So things look good. Things really look good. Let us take your cards, your tea leaf cards. So the very first one is a meeting with a stranger could be important. So there is possibly a person. So what might happen for a couple of you, this Knight of Pentacles could actually be a person who might come to your assistance, or maybe somebody you meet through your career, but somebody that you meet 2 years from now or in the process, that meeting that person is going to be a turning point of your life. Like that person for you is going to be a catalyst for a lot of change, is what I sense, because that is going to be an important life-changing meeting. Opportunity or windfall, you're coming into some money, or maybe this is something you've built for yourself. So financially as well, you are reaching a solid position. For some people, this could be inheritance, okay? Like some money coming in, but this could also be maybe a previous investment that you made coming back to you. Like, you know, that lump sum payment that you get for something, or maybe you've sold something, you're selling something and you're getting a lot of money for it, more than what you bought it for, you know. So that is something that is coming in. Again, investments is coming for you, you know, stock market and shares and all of that. But whatever it is, money is coming in, money is strong. And the last one is work, achievement and success. Yes, you have the 3 of Cups already. So either way, you are reaching a very strong position in your life. 3 years from now, you've had challenges, of course, you know, we see that with this card, but you have managed to overcome everything. You've transformed from within. You've become the person you were always meant to be. Bravo. I am so proud of you. Okay, so more power to you, my friend. More power to you. That's all I want to say. And really, if you watch this reading, please come back 2 years from now and tell me you've become this person, because I am waiting for that day. I am literally waiting for that day. Okay, I will leave you with that, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye. Hello everyone, and if you have chosen pile, these are your messages. So your very first one is pleasure. Now this is about living your life the best way possible. This is about having the ability to live your life in the best way possible. Okay. This stage comes in your life when you are at peace with yourself as a person, you are at peace with your choices, and you are at peace with where you are. Okay, but whatever it is, 2 years from now, your investments have paid off and you are at peace. Even in your relationship, you are reaching a level of peace because you can finally sip that cup of tea with me, maybe, and just having a good time. You're at peace with yourself is what I get 2 years from now. Let us see what is coming in. 8 of Cups. You've left behind something, and this is a conscious choice. You've left it behind for a reason, or you've left an old life behind and you've moved on to something. Oh, good. Okay, so this could actually be leaving behind a career. This could be leaving behind a way of life. This could be leaving behind a place maybe. But whatever it is that you're leaving behind, you are leaving this behind consciously. And what is happening as a result of that is you have blessings coming in. A Knight of Cups could be an invitation that came your way. This could be a new person, maybe a romantic partner. Whatever is it, as you leave from this energy, you have something new waiting in folds for you. So this is the end of one journey and beginning of another one. Okay, this often signifies an invitation. So for a lot of people, I think you are really settling down in life, and then the pleasure makes sense. For a couple of people, this could also be marriage or a long-lasting relationships. This could be kids, you know, because you have that little child here and everything is looking good. You have food on the table. You're blessed. You are blessed is the sense that I get. And which is why you can actually relax and have that cup of tea, cup of coffee, your favorite beverage with your loved ones, with your family. and you're happy. Isn't happy a beautiful word? Okay, but you're happy. The next one that we have is Fairy Godmother, Revelation, Discovery, and Epiphany. So this is about, it's almost like your life is going to be blessed by a fairy godmother. But maybe you'll realize all the way that the blessings were around you all along. But this is also about discovery of something. I feel like this could be a discovery of a person or discovery of something. Okay, but whatever it is, it's bringing you a lot of joy. It's like that aha moment happening for you, where everything clicks, where everything works out. Because you have the 10 of cups. So 2 years from now, it's good time. It's a blessed time is what I want to say. A woman with coins. So of course, this could also mean financial stability. For somebody, this could be a woman coming into your life who's willing to invest in you. Or this could be an inheritance from a woman. This could be you becoming financially very, very strong. Like you are at a point financially where you can now relax a little bit, that you don't have to work as much, is what I'm getting here. Because financially as well, you're taken care of. Good times, good times. Heart's desire. The angels are supporting you, guiding you, and protecting you as your dreams become a reality. You guys are a blessed pile, is what I want to say. You have the angels protecting you. You walked out of a period that was possibly not so good, but you walked right into something that you've always wanted, is the sense that I get. So this is really about you getting your heart's desire. Like really being happy where you are in life. Your dreams have finally come true. Change is natural and good. This is about this. These two cards are very much linked, is what I get. Because only when you made these changes did you reach this point. So as you move forward in this 2-year period, don't be afraid of moving. Don't be afraid of moving on. Don't be afraid of making changes when you find something is not working. Maybe a work situations. Maybe a situation with friends. Maybe a situation with certain people that you meet in life. You may want to change your house is also coming in. But whatever is happening, this change will bring you blessings. The change is difficult sometimes, but that change moves you to a direction that brings happiness, especially because this is coming after epiphany. This is a realization that okay, the way I was living my life is not working or was not working, and I need to move on. And you make that move and you find happiness. That is the kind of story that I have. That is how it's going to play out. Let's see what's coming next. Triumph over troubles. This makes sense, isn't it? Fairy godmother, the Cinderella story. When the fairy godmother shows, Cinderella overcomes her troubles, all the obstacles. So you have the aha moment, This is the aha moment that's going to happen. But either way, you have the eagle energy. You are triumphing over any obstacles that you may have. Success, you guys are blessed. No words. And the last one is a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Both make sense because for business aspect, you have the money coming in and a woman holding a coin. So having your own business or a business venture really profiting, or you reaching a good position in your career is also possible. But again, a marriage for you is also an actual marriage. A marriage that you've always wanted, and which is why you finally achieved that level of joy. Now you can sit back and sip that cup of tea and being all happy. You guys are blessed. Happiness is coming, and well-deserved happiness is coming, because clearly this is like triumph over obstacles. So this is not something that was just handed over a plate. You've paid attention to the lessons, you've learned your lessons, you've made those changes, and you're finally happy. So the hard times are definitely on their way out, and you're gonna be happy. And you are gonna sit back, enjoy, sit back in peace, be contented, and enjoy that cup of coffee, cup of tea. You deserve it. You really do. I will leave you with that. And I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.